Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have a review video on the Greenworks 24-volt drill and impact combo kit. This is the CK321. I'm going to open it up, test it out, and give you guys my final thought. So this combo kit has a half-inch drill with up to 400 inch-pounds of torque and a compact impact driver with 1,950 inch-pounds of torque. Comes with a little carry case, cords, 2 batteries, 1 charger. It's got a 3-year warranty on both the tool and the batteries. Let's go ahead and open it up. And inside it comes with a nice case that everything is in, so it's all compact. So go ahead and open up the case here. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. You have your impact drill, that's that 1/4 inch. Feels nice and sturdy, has a good grip on it. Go ahead and get our other drill out. Same thing, nice and sturdy. It's got 18 levels on the chuck there. Looks good as well. These should be our batteries. So these are lithium ion 24 volt 2 amp hour. And they both are the same there. The charging port is here on the side and uses USB-C, which is very convenient. You don't have to have a big separate charger for it, like a lot of the drills out there today. You get all of your information and make sure to read through all of your instructions to make sure you're doing this correctly. You get 2 braided cords, which are USB-C to USB-C, which is very nice. I do like that it has that. Then you have a 65-watt brick here. And so it has 3 different options. That's USB-C 1 and USB-C 2, and then your traditional USB-A. So let's go ahead and charge our batteries before we jump into this project. A fully charged battery is always good whenever you are working on things. So we'll go ahead and get the brick, slide it open just like that. Put it in your power source. And there is the first one. Here is the second one. And so you can tell it does not have a lot of battery on this already. So we are going to want these to fully charge. So we'll give that a little bit of time and come back. Okay, both of our batteries are fully charged now, so we can go ahead and pull those out. I would encourage you to put the little cover back on just to keep any kind of sawdust or any kind of thing like that out of the way. Let's see how easy they are to slide on. Slides on pretty easy. Releases pretty easy. That's always a good thing. Feels like it has some good power there. And this chuck goes back and forth. Has a 1 and a 2 speed. This only has a single speed. Does come with an LED light on both of them as well. So that's helpful when you are drilling. You get the opportunity to see a little better. Let's go ahead and run some tests with these. So for the impact, it does fit all 1/4 inches. It has a little piece that comes out and then locks it into place, and then a quick release. That's pretty nice right there. Let's go ahead and try a screw. Super quick, especially in the pre-drilled. I'll go down here where it's not pre-drilled. Definitely has lots of power to be able to get it in and out quickly. We'll switch out that bit for a Phillips bit. No pilot. Definitely has a lot of power. Now if we were to go into a pre-drilled hole, it's going to go way faster. No effort at all. For your drill, tighten it down all the way. See how easy it is to super easy. Pretty good power as well. Definitely could get a lot of use out of that. Switch between everything is super fast, which I do like. Saves time. So no pre-drill, no nothing. 1/2 inch. And that right there does a really good job. I got a few projects around the house that I'm going to use with this, and I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Works really well for low light areas. It does have that LED, because without that LED you wouldn't be able to see it as well. So one of my favorite things about these batteries in particular is if you take them off, you can actually open them up, use the same cord they provide, and these actually become a battery that can charge other things. So this is one of my microphones, and it will sit there and charge my microphone for me. And you have the full width of this battery to be able to charge any kind of device you want with that simple built-in USB-C on the side. That right there is a pretty awesome feature. So I've been able to use this product for about a week now, and used it for a number of different things around my house. I really like it. I'm a big fan of the 1/4 inch impact. That is really my favorite thing to use driver wise. I've been using these a lot, and let's look at the battery. It's still full. So I've had a couple of projects I've been using them on, and the batteries are lasting a really long time. I do love the USB-C adapter for that. It does also include the clips that fit onto a work belt or your normal belt. I'm not a big fan of those, so I did not put them on. Plus, you do get a Phillips and flathead bit, and so if that's something you like to use, I have a ton of these laying around, so I used the ones that I already had. But overall, this seems like a really great product at a really affordable price point. So if it's something you need, some DIY stuff around your house, I would definitely look into this bundle kit. It's the CK321. I'll have a link down in my description. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down in the comment section below.